Hello everyone, welcome back. So we are now in part 2, isn't it? Part 2. So in part 1 what we did, we created a small project, isn't it, called Alien House project, isn't it? And there what we did, we created the first level of WBS. What was that? First floor, second floor, third floor and fourth floor, isn't it? And then we added at level 2 under first floor activities, isn't it? Mechanical first floor, electrical first floor, the electrical work and plumbing. Okay, this was done in what? Primavera, isn't it? Now what we will do it in Microsoft project. Okay, so let's on Microsoft project and then we shall start. Okay, so let me just hide my alien work. Click this blank project. So we have created a blank project. Nothing here, nothing there. Okay, so first thing, whenever you do any project, okay, in Microsoft project, what you must do, like in AutoCAD or like in REVIT, what we do first thing is check units, isn't it? So here also, okay, we must check the project calendar. Go to the project tab, okay, under project information, click project information. Okay, so what does this state? They state this table or this window states that, John, we're going to start this project on 14th of June, isn't it? Okay, let's suppose we want to start it. I don't like to start anything tomorrow. I always like to start it now. But for this case, okay, let's start it today. No worries. Okay, and say project, everything looks good. Okay, this is default settings. Okay, they say click OK. Okay, now what we will do, okay, add the project, we add these floor, these level 1 activities, isn't it? Level, what's that? First floor, second floor, third floor and fourth floor. How you add? Click FF. Now let me just tell you one thing, okay? First floor, second floor, third floor and fourth floor. Okay, now one doubt always has popped up. Okay, John, what is this? This pin, what is this pins? Okay, this means the schedule. Okay, the type of schedule. Is it your manual schedule or is it automatic schedule? Okay, now I just show you one small difference. Okay, this is manual. Okay, the blue thing is manual. Okay, now let's suppose, okay, I just change it to automatic. What will happen is when I click automatic schedule, auto schedule, let's say, he will fill the duration and the start date. You will see by default he will give you some numbers. You see, this was not there when we did what? Automatic, manual, isn't it? Duration of 1 day. You see in the Gantt chart 1 day has been shown. Okay, let's change it back to manual. Okay, but what will happen is it become blue now, but you see it's still there, isn't it? What we can do is delete, isn't it? I hope this much is clear now. Okay, now what we want to do, under first floor we want to add what? Activities. Click insert task, again like Excel, isn't it? So we want to add, I think this is much easier, isn't it? Okay, what is the first thing? We said first floor mechanical, isn't it? First floor, and then we said electrical, and first floor, what's that? Plumbing, isn't it? Plumbing. Okay, so if you notice that these three are under first floor, isn't it? Okay, so what we will do, select these three. Okay, go to the task menu and just click this indent task. You will see now these three will go under this first floor. Okay, I hope this is clear now. Okay, they made it automatic. It says 1 day, isn't it? Okay, if you want, you can click change everything to from manual to automatic. Have to do it manually. Okay, I hope this much is clear now. Okay, similarly you will add the remaining task for what is that? First floor, second floor and third floor. Okay, so this is actually just a small comparison or a small video In part 2 what we learned? We learned how to do the same thing what we did in Primavera in Microsoft project. Now you tell me, my students tell me, is it worth doing it in MS project, or is it not worth it? Is it easier to do it in MS project, or is it you can comment me, okay, in the class, next class or something. Just tell me, John, I think MS project is also easy. What is the other one? Primavera is also easy. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. See you fresh in the next class. Take care and bye.